Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. First of all, happy 4th of July. I hope you have a great day. Okay, first up we have the awe of autumn. You Ohio State fans will think that's funny. This is Sandy Gervais for Riley Blake. There's this yard panel, and then we also have it in the dark color wave. Hold on. There we go. Ooh, how pretty is that? Oh, it's just, I love that pop of like the teal and the purple in there. This is a great little print right here. I love all those little flowers. So you have your pumpkins, you have leaves, you have plaids, all the things. You have all the things. Okay, and then moving over here, we have, this is me and my sister, and it is Faboolous, and it's from Moda. So super fun and whimsical and bright Halloween. I would expect nothing less from their colors from me and my sister. Then we have like a ton of pre-cuts, guys. Hold on, I gotta find them all. Okay, we have Old World Yuletide, and that's my favorite design. Now we have all the things here. Then you're gonna see this line in a minute, but we have A Very Sweet Christmas by Bunny Hill Designs. Okay, then we have, hold on, let me find them all. Oh, here's the Awe of Autumn, those pre-cuts. And then we have First Blooms by Heather Peterson. You can kind of see those right there, okay? And then we have Tiny Christmas by Lizzie House. Okay, so if you are a pre-cut fan, now's your time to shine at purchasing, I gotta say. All right, let's move back here to the holiday room. We have several things in the holiday room. One of them is a kit. I'm going to show you that first. It's this kit, Winter Wonderland. It finishes at 38.5 by 56.5. You'll get everything to do the top and the binding and the pattern. And then you can use 1 3/4 yards of background. So that's what the panel looks like. Here are your bolts of fabric from here down. Got a cozy little cabin in there. You could even make it bigger too if you got like just the panel and wanted to make it a little bigger. Be a good kind of guy quilt too. Okay, and then we have this is A Very Sweet Christmas by Bunny Hill Design. We just saw the pre-cuts there. What I love about this line is obviously you have these super sweet little penguins. I love them. But if you don't want to go Christmas with us at all, you don't have to. Just don't get the penguins. Although I think you should get the penguins because they're really cute. All right, down here we have Merry Gnomements. Love that little play on word. And then lastly, we have another Faboolous line, but this one is by Clothworks, and it definitely reads totally different than the Me and My Sister. You have all your potions and your funky little pumpkins and your treats, and of course you got your creepy yet colorful spider webs. Yeah. Okay, those are all the new things. Caleb and I do have a show this Friday. No, not this Friday. That's today. Sunday at 3, the Fab Stash show. If you want to be entered to win one of our 2 giveaways on there, you're going to answer this question and share the post. The question is, what is your favorite 4th of July memory? And if you can't remember any or don't have one, just say, Happy Birthday, America. Okay? So until next time, stay safe today, and happy 4th of July and happy quilting. Bye.